Hi, I'd like to share with you how I used the eSpares website to repair my cooker the year before last. It was approximately a week before Christmas when I noticed that the oven seals for on my Smeg cooker, so the small oven and above the larger oven, had actually disintegrated. And I was actually due to be cooking Christmas dinner for 8 people a week later. I researched using the internet a new cooker, which I discovered would cost me £1,000, and it was money I didn't have at that time of year, free to be able to pay for one. And plus, I was worried about getting the delivery in time. So I decided to look on the eSpares website and research how to replace the part myself. The website was extremely easy to use. I was able to locate the parts and order them very easily, and within 24 hours they were on my doorstep, all ready to fit. Fitting was extremely straightforward, and these parts are still in place over a year later. In fact, they've served us a further Christmas, and I'm still £1,000 in pocket from not having bought that new cooker. I would strongly recommend eSpares.